Hi everyone, we want to share with you our ventilator project by the Romanian Space Engineering. The ventilator is made out of widely available parts such as Arduino, the computer Raspberry Pi and 3D printer components. The main body of the ventilator is a pump made out of polypropylene pipe. One Arduino microcontroller, it's controlling the pump and the motor. A second one, it's dedicated for the sensors, for acquisition data from the pressure sensor, which is located very close to the patient. Also, we have a flow sensor close to the outlet of the pump. This Arduino module performs the control of the entire system through those encoders: tidal volume, pressure, flow rate, and selecting through the operational modes. The visualization it's performed by a Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi took all the data from the main Arduino and displayed the basic information for the volume, for the pressure and the flow rate. Here it is, the air circuit from the pump inlet, which is connected with a HEPA filter that takes the air from the room. The air enters in the pump and it's pumped out through a second filter and through a valve from Ambu bag that incorporate a PIP valve and also an expiratory valve.